Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows search bar not working. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fix first. So this is to restart Windows Explorer. So this is the fastest fix. So on your keyboard, click on Control, Shift and Escape at the same time. And what that's going to do is going to open up Task Manager. Then from here, we want to go ahead and right click Windows Explorer and we need to click on Restart. So that's going to restart your Explorer. So you can see this is restarting. Now the next fix is to restart the search service. So from here on your keyboard, click on Windows and R. Then we need to run should appear and type in services.msc. Then from here, find Windows search. So I'm going to go ahead and sort it by alphabetical order. So find Windows search, here it is here. So I want to right click this and then click onto restart, and then this is going to go ahead and Windows is attempting to restart it. Now the next fix is to go ahead and run the search and indexing troubleshooter. So click into settings, then from here we need to find a troubleshooter. Now this is going to be under system, so system and then troubleshooter down the bottom of the page there, and then click onto other troubleshooters and then run search and indexing. Now if you don't find it here, that's okay, we can launch it manually. So on your keyboard, click on your Windows key and R. Now run should launch. Then from here, we want to copy and paste this code in. So it's msdt.exe id search diagnostic. Go ahead and click on OK. Then you should get a box appearing like this. So go ahead and click next. And now this is going to troubleshoot and help prevent computer issues, search and indexing. So just go ahead and run that. And that's going to detect any problems. We can select which one. So can't start a search or see results. Go ahead and click that. And then it's going to give you some ideas how to fix it or fix it for you. Now the next fix here is check for Windows Update. So get back in the settings, go ahead and click on Windows Update. If there are any updates, go ahead and download and install them. As you can see, I've got an update here. Download and install. We can check for updates as well.